अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर। लास्ट टाइम हमने चैप्टर 15 की एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे। आज हम चैप्टर 16 लैब सेफ्टी एंड प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो अगर आपको किसी भी किस्म की कोई कन्फ्यूजन हो तो कमेंट लाजमी कीजिएगा, इंशाल्लाह मैं रिप्लाई करने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। तो चलते हैं आज के अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। फर्स्ट MCQs इज व्हाई टेकिंग ए रीडिंग विद ए ब्यूरेट, why it is always advisable to read the lower meniscus for the colorless liquid and the upper meniscus for the colored liquid? First option is because it is more convenient. Second option is because colorless liquids have more surface tension than colored liquids. Third option is because lower meniscus does not exist for colored liquid. And fourth option is because of the parallax effect. There, because of parallax effect, for colorless liquid, the lower meniscus is clearly visible. For colored liquid, the upper meniscus is easier to see. Reading the correct meniscus prevent wrong reading. So the exact answer is D option, because of the parallax effect. Next MCQs is why phenolphthalein indicator is more appropriate to use during the titrations, which involves a strong acid and strong base. First option is because it is itself weakly acid. Second is because the pH at the equivalence point as well as the pH over where the color of phenolphthalein change match each other. Next is because of the solution at the end of titration is acidic. And fourth option is because the solution at the end of titration is basic. There, phenolphthalein changes color in the pH range of 8.2 to 10 and the equivalence point of strong acid strong base titration is around pH 7 to 9. So, the color change of phenolphthalein occurs sharply near the equivalence point, making it an ideal indicator. So, B option is correct. Next is which cation gives a white gelatinous precipitate upon the addition of aqueous ammonia, Cr3+, Cr2+, Zn2+, or Al3+. There, Al3+ forms a white gelatinous precipitate of aluminium hydroxide. When aqueous ammonia is added, this precipitate is insoluble in excess ammonia, making it appear gelatinous and distinct. So D option is correct. Next is addition of NH4OH ammonium hydroxide to an aqueous solution of cation give a green precipitate which turns brown upon standing. Which basic radical is indicated? Cu2+, Cr3+, Fe2+, or Fe3+. There, Fe2+ forms a green precipitate of FeOH twice with NH4OH, which slowly oxidizes to FeOH thrice, turning brown upon standing in air. So, C option is correct, Fe2+. Next is on dry heating test for salt analysis, the evolution of a colorless, odorless gas that turns lime water milky suggests the presence of chloride ion, sulfate ion, carbonate ion, or nitrate ion. There, on dry heating, carbonate decomposes to release carbon dioxide gas, which is colorless, odorless, and turns lime water milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. So, C option is correct. Next is the chromyl chloride test is a specific confirmatory test for bromide ion, iodide ion, chloride ion, or sulfate ion. There, chromyl chloride test confirms the presence of chloride ion. When a chloride salt is heated with potassium dichromate and concentrated sulfuric acid, red vapors of chromyl chlorides are produced only if chloride is present. So, C option is correct. Next is the brown ring test is confirmatory test for which acid radical? Chloride, nitrate, sulfate, or carbonate. There, brown ring test confirms the presence of nitrate ions. When freshly prepared, FeSO4 is added to nitrate solution, followed by careful addition of concentrated sulfuric acid. A brown ring forms at the junction, indicating nitrate. So, the exact answer is B, nitrate radical. देर ये थे चैप्टर 16 की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे।